On the occasion of the completion of 2 years of the entire corporation, blankets were handed over to 100 poor people on the initiative of Ward number 43. Deepak Majumdar, mayor of the entire corporation, was present in this event organized in the area adjacent to Pratapgarh Bridge.
On the occasion of the second anniversary of AMC distribution of blankets to the needy in the area adjacent to Pratapgarh Bridge on Monday, Mayor Deepak Majumdar distributed blankets to the poor from attending the event organized by Ward number 43. Blankets were handed over to 100 people in the area on this day. Apart from the mayor, Ward number 43 councillor and AMC Deputy Mayor Monica Das and South Zone Chairman Corporator Abhijit Malik and others were present in the event. While discussing the event, the mayor said the whole corporation of Agartala will go to people's house with a report card of what has been done in the last 2 years and what the whole corporation will do in the next 2 years. He also said that no work was done in the Agartala Municipal Corporation area in the past.
পূর্তিকালকে সামনে রেখে নিগমের 2 বছর কাল উদযাপন উপলক্ষে আগরতলা পৌর নিগমের প্রতিটি ওয়ার্ডে এই 2 বছরে আমরা কি কাজ করেছি কি কাজ আগামী 3 বছরে করব আরো সে বিষয়ে সমস্ত ওয়ার্ডে আমরা কর্মসূচি নিয়েছি যে জনগণকে জানানোর জন্য।
Apart from Ward number 43, Agartala city has seen a lot of changes during the BJP-led government. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.